going to take care of yourself
Oh
forever.
yeah, for sure.
Because not just because of those 46 million people, but that's a massive part of your
100%.
finances.
That's why but here's the thing, Ranveer, like I'm going to tell you from when I was growing up, because you're just talking about Bollywood. I'm talking about even when I was 19, 18, 17, 16, 20, back in the day when I was hustling, doing all the jobs that I was doing, you know, from working at McDonald's to working at a shawarma place to working at a telemarketing place. And I was doing double shifts to performing at people's events. I did everything, right? Even at that time, I met people who would try to corner me or dangle things in front of me and, you know, be like, well, if you want this, then you need to do this. And that wasn't even Bollywood. That was just the streets of Toronto. You know what I mean? Like the most random place. So as a woman,